This is Project Saltier, an E.C.D custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specification. Saltier is finished in full gloss Aston Martin Caribbean Pearl Blue with black accents all round. Saltier sits on a colour matching white 16-inch Wolf steel wheel with BFG all-terrain tyre. This 110 also features a 6-point external roll cage with rear ladder. Four Hella Rally spot lamps at the front and two smaller LED work lamps in the rear. We also have a low mount LED front bumper with worn winch and black steering guard. Inside, Saltier features an Evander Wood steering wheel with mole bomber gauges, stunning Recaro front and mid-row seats with two jump seats in the rear. The interior is finished in blue and cream Porsche Napa leather with the European weave black carpet throughout. Saltier is powered by our LT1 450 horsepower engine with 8-speed automatic transmission. This 110 also features an array of modern conveniences such as upgraded Infinity Kappa audio system and Apple CarPlay. The custom-made full-length center console spans the front and mid-row, providing all passengers with cup holders, AC, enhanced audio and access to charging points throughout the cabin.